Clouds are moving around like crazy. It looks like we're going to get some colder weather coming in shortly. But before that happens, we're going to do a green egg cook here. And if it didn't show already, there's what we're putting on. There is a 12-pound turkey. Why wouldn't I? Come out here at 11:30 in the morning. As soon as this fire gets going a little bit better, I'm going to dump some more coal on there. And I'll set the turkey on there, and we'll get the temperature up, and we'll walk away and let it cook for about 5, 6, 7 hours, however long it takes. So I put some more coal on, and then what I like to do, throw some chives on here to watch it smoke, so I know it's still going when I walk away. I can look out the window and see that she's still burning. And here's a new grade that the wife bought, this big heavy cast iron thing. Might as well use it. Big. We'll set the turkey on here. I might want to rise that up on a riser here. Of course, I don't see my riser. Huh. I see it. Dude. I just use this to deflect some of the heat from the bottom of the turkey and get that on center. Leave the damper wide open for a few minutes, and I get this closed. And we'll use the gauge here to get her, let her run about 250 or so. And once we get it up to a certain temperature, we'll damper it on down. This big green egg is approaching 25 years old, and it's got cracks in it. Maybe I can show it. After 20 years, 25 years. I got a crack right here, see? Oh my God, it's sharp. All the way down to the base. So I daren't move it. If I move it, the egg will crack. Humpty Dumpty will fall to the ground. Humpty Dumpty will fall. And that'll be the end of that. But if I let it sit here, why wouldn't I? Do slow cooks like this, not move it from its base, I can probably get a couple more years out of it. Might even outlast me, why wouldn't it? So like I say, we'll get this damper down in a few minutes. Still got a few tomatoes to pick. I don't know if the camera's picking up on that. A mess of green ones, some red ones, some small ones, some plums, celebrities, and beefsteak. So we'll get those picked and make one more sauce. It has been the year of sauce, that's for sure. So let's let this do its thing. I'm going to have my coffee, and I'm going to damper it down and just guess that I know my grill, what the temperature will get to. It might set dampers. And I'll come out and check it in about 25 minutes or so. This should take it to about 200, and I'm looking for at least 200 to 250, because I don't want to have it cooked till 9 o'clock tonight. I think it says it takes about, at this poundage, it takes about 4 to 5 hours. at 325 to 350 degrees, so we better get her up there. Okay, after 5 hours, I bet you the camera's going to steam up on that one. After 5 hours, we just stuck the gauge in there. I didn't film it. She's done. So we're going to get the mitts and we're going to pull this off the grill. And we'll take her in there and we'll carve it up and we'll have a nice turkey dinner. You got some stuffing coming up. So the big green egg, even though it's cracked, has produced a nice meal again. I was using this to baste it before. And there's still some liquid in there. So yeah, this will be in our stomachs not far from now. It may not be laid out too pretty, but a turkey and a big green egg is the way to go.